help people get healthy, clean water that they can trust in their homes without adding salt. Our customers are very passionate about their life source water.
Tell me what you mean by that.
I love to read our reviews on Yelp and Google because our customers really do say it best. They're thrilled and they refer many of their friends and family.
So 4 decades now, how many systems have you guys put in?
Ooh, many, many thousands. We build it, install it, and stand behind it, and we always will.
Listen, if you want to transform your water from every tap and shower in your home, trust the experts with 40 years of experience. Call 1-800-WATER-99, 1-800-WATER-99, or visit lifesourcewater.com.
Warranty limitations apply.
You know that Big Bargain detergent jug is 80% water, right?
80% water? I thought I was getting a better deal because it's so big.
If you want a better clean, Tide Pods are only 12% water. The rest is pure, concentrated cleaning ingredients.
Oh, pass me the intercom thing.
Attention shoppers, if you want a real deal, try Tide Pods.
Don't pay for water, pay for clean. If it's gotta be clean, it's gotta be Tide Pods.
Water content based on the leading bargain liquid detergent. Do you feel like you're going through life clouded by doubt? Talk to California Psychics. Our trusted and accurate psychics are available 24/7. And we guarantee, if it's not life-changing, it's free. Download the app or connect with us at CaliforniaPsychics.com. Right now, new customers get 80% off their first reading. Experience the joy of certainty. California Psychics.
Coming up on KCBS, heavy rain continues to pelt the Bay Area. In San Francisco, flash flood warning remains in effect for the next 45 minutes. The heaviest rain is now headed east and into the North Bay. We're going to have a live report on the flooding impacts in San Francisco, where water appears to be receding in about 5 minutes. KCBS News Time, 3:15.
Jeff Pittman joins us from the Bay Area Chevy Dealer Sports Desk following a bruising debut for a Sacramento State baseball player.
He's supposed to stop.
New
It's a
season,
stop sign.
new team for a young man named Matt Mastiangelo. The Sacramento
people in
State
Napa,
left
you know.
fielder made his debut with the Hornets after transferring from Cal State Bakersfield. Eager to please with his new team, I would imagine, right? Well, in a season-opening doubleheader against Loyola Marymount, it was a debut that he and the record books will never forget.
He just got hit again. You really can't make these stories up.
The play-by-play courtesy of Sacramento State. The left-handed hitting Matt Mastiangelo was hit by a pitch 7 times over the 2 games.
Ow! He's still playing after the first one?
Right, and the second, and the third, right? 3 times in the opener, 4 more in the nightcap.
I have a lot of bruises, but I was able to get on base for the team, and that's what I was looking to do.
That's Matt speaking with ABC 10 in Sacramento, and he says, believe it or not, no hard feelings against the Loyola Marymount pitchers and their lack of control.
Even the best pitchers can get the best of them, and kind of the ball gets away from them. But I didn't think anything was intentional. They're trying to win a ball game as well, so just kind of happens, and I don't think any of it was malicious at all.
Yeah, the college record for hit by pitches in a single game is 5 times, believe it or not. And that unfortunate victim was Stanford's Carlos Quentin all the way back in 2002. He went on to have a pretty productive big league career. The record for most times hit by pitch in a doubleheader doesn't exist. It's such an obscure stat they don't even keep it. Interesting. Honestly, just crazy. And I love that he had a really good attitude.